Welcome to Roth IRA 101. Today we're tackling one of the most powerful tools for your financial future. And don't worry, we'll keep it light because talking about retirement doesn't have to feel like, well, retirement. So what is a Roth IRA? Picture a magic treasure chest. You put money in today, money you've already paid taxes on, and it grows tax-free. When you retire, you open that treasure chest and the IRS doesn't get a cut of your loot. That's right, the IRS gets nada. No taxes on your growth, no taxes on withdrawals. It's like the financial equivalent of finding a parking spot in front of the gym, rare and beautiful. Why does the Roth IRA matter? 2 words: compound interest. Your money grows on itself over time like a snowball rolling downhill, except this snowball isn't melting under the sun of Uncle Sam's taxes. Think of a Roth IRA as the ultimate financial crock-pot. Set it and forget it, and by the time you're retired, you've cooked up a hearty stew of tax-free cash. Not everyone gets into the Roth IRA club. There are rules. First, you need to earn income. Babysitting your neighbor's cat doesn't count unless they pay you legit wages. And there's an income limit. If you make too much, the Roth IRA door closes. But don't worry, we'll talk about ways around that later. Spoiler alert. Backdoor Roth IRA sounds sneaky, but it's totally legal. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 if you're under 50 and $8,000 if you're 50 or older. Think of it as extra seasoning for your retirement stew. And if you're thinking, but $7,000 won't make me a millionaire, remember, it's not just about what you put in, but how it grows. Patience, young grasshopper. Opening a Roth IRA is easier than ordering pizza. Step 1, pick a provider. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, these guys are like the Amazon Prime of investing. Reliable, efficient, and they won't upsell you on pepperoni. Step 2, choose your investments. Think of your Roth IRA like a smoothie. Mix stocks, bonds, and ETFs to create a blend that works for you. Just don't add kale unless you really understand kale. I mean bonds. You can withdraw your contributions at any time. No penalties, no taxes. But the earnings? That's another story. You need to wait until age 59 and a half and let the account season for 5 years to get the full tax-free goodness. And no, 59 and a half doesn't mean you have to wait until your half birthday. It just means the IRS likes making rules that sound weird. Let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, you get tax-free growth, no required minimum distributions, and flexibility for withdrawals. But the cons? Contributions are after tax, and there's that pesky income limit. Also, you can't touch your earnings early without penalties. So yeah, a Roth IRA isn't perfect, but neither is guacamole, and we still love it. Here's where it gets spicy. If you make too much to contribute directly to a Roth IRA, there's the backdoor Roth IRA. No, it's not illegal, it's just a loophole that the IRS probably side-eyes but doesn't close. Think of it like getting free guac at Chipotle. Legal? Yes. Awesome? Absolutely. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Waiting until you're 40, you're leaving decades of compounding interest on the table. It's like planting a tree. Start early and you'll have shade when you need it. So, there you have it. Roth IRAs in all their glory. They're not just for financial pros, they're for anyone who wants to take control of their future. Start small, stay consistent, and let the magic of compounding interest do its thing. And remember, your future self is counting on you. Don't let them down. They'll have enough to deal with, like whether to retire in Florida or Arizona. That's it for today. Subscribe for more tips, and don't forget, the best time to plant a financial tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.